Hi everybody, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use affiliate program with CCS or cryptocurrency shop. It's a good way to earn crypto, and to do it first, let's go to my account. If you already have a buyer or seller account, you just can click switch account, and from here if you click market an account, it automatically generate one for you. But for purpose of this video, I will show you how to do it from start. Click earn with CCS, and here is all the detail you need. Click on start earning with CCS. If you have an account you can log in, but we don't, so we click new account. Click marketer, put your name, last name, email, password, and repeat your password. Click register, and it will send us a verification link to our email. So let's go to our inbox. Here I have to click active and to active my account, and there it is. This is my marketer dashboard. So the first thing we're gonna do is we click on partners, or click on marketing products. These are the products you can promote. As you can see, there are many products, and if you promote any of these products and somebody buy to your link, you will earn a commission. As you can see, the commission is 10% for each product, and that's a lot of money. You can choose any of this and earn up to 10% of its total price. So we are going to choose some products and do marketing for them. This is another store products, this is Leon store products, and I'm going to add few of these products into my marketing list, and I do marketing for them. Before doing that, you can check to view this product and learn about this. And after doing that, click on add to marketing. I'm gonna add this one, and maybe let's see this one. I'm also going to add this one. You can add as many you want. Once you have added the products from marketing, all you need to do is to go to my marketing list. And there it shows the products you selected. And to earn money, it is very easy. All you have to do is to just copy your affiliate marketing URL of any product and share it with your friends or in your social media. Click this one to copy the URL. Once you have copied, you can share it in your social media, in your blog, or anywhere. For example, I'm going to share it here on my X. So just go to your any social media, write something. Let's say, hey guys, maybe you should check this product, post something, and then post that URL you just copied and post it. And if somebody click on your post, click on this URL, which I'm just gonna do it. If somebody open this one through your URL and buy this product, you will earn 10% of total price of this product. So let's do the math. This product costs 2,300 USD or 10.23 BCH. Let's do the math. So 10.23 times 0.1, which is 10%, it's around 1 BCH. So you will earn 213 USD if somebody, just one customer buy this product. And you do nothing, you don't sell anything physically, you just do affiliate program, and that's the easy way to earn some extra money. And if somebody bought this product and the payment is completed, you will earn your commission. And to see that, go to your earn on the wallet, click earn, and here it will show your earning, and all you need to do is to just withdraw it into your wallet, into your trust wallet or whatever you have. Once do that, it will in here show the transactions. Right now I didn't withdraw anything, I didn't earn anything, but if I had, it will show it all in here. Also, if you check dashboard, this is where you can see all technical details about your marketing, how many products you added on your list. If somebody add the product to the cart not paid yet, but add it on the cart, it show it here. If somebody go to checkout page, it show it here, and some other information, maybe it could be useful for you. And now very quick, I show you complete process from start to finish.